Hello, today is Thursday, November 6th, and your weather highlights are pretty simple today. It's going to be a nice, sunny, pleasant day. We've got some rain showers moving in tomorrow, and then maybe some flurries Sunday night into Monday morning. So let's go ahead, get into it. We see that we've got temperatures largely across the area in the mid to upper 30s, a lot cooler than it was yesterday morning. And this cool weather, we will rebound a little bit temperature wise before we head into this weekend. But in terms of precipitation, we don't see much of anything. I do want to go ahead and start out with the temperature forecast coming into this weekend. So let me set the stage for you. This would be Saturday afternoon. Um, we have a low pressure system here over Missouri. And so as we put this into motion, you're going to see, actually, if I back it up, you see this area here of the counterclockwise wind direction. That's the low pressure system. So it's still being picked up by the models, which we've been talking about for a few days now. But I want you to really notice on these wind barbs that are coming from the north and the northwest, as that is what's going to persist for several days as we head into this is Sunday afternoon. You got some cooler temperatures right into the low 40s, and that's just going to continue. So Sunday looks to be one of those days where the temperature just constantly kind of crashes throughout the afternoon and into the overnight period where we see that cold air really set into place. We get that first hard freeze on Monday morning. We don't warm up much on Monday. Early estimates are showing we may not even climb out of the 30s on Monday. And then again, low 20s come Tuesday morning as this cold air is still in place. And then Tuesday will still be a chilly day. And then we start to slowly rebound back out closer to average. Now, with that, let's look at the precipitation. Okay, this is the GFS model. We're starting here on Saturday. As you can see, the low pressure forms 1,007 millibars. It's going to track more across south central Indiana, and then it's going to proceed off to the east. This is a weaker low pressure system than the GFS model was outputting yesterday. But again, those counterclockwise winds will have some snow showers kind of come into the area. As you can see, it doesn't have it very widespread, but a little bit, especially across central Indiana. Now, the European model is where I tend to like looking, especially a couple days out. Again, today's Thursday. We're talking about this Sunday night into Monday. Low pressure systems there. It's got it traveling across pretty much central Indiana. It is a little bit stronger than the GFS is outputting this morning. However, it's a little weaker than yesterday. That does strengthen though as it heads off to our east, and is what that's going to allow is more of these more cold air advection to come down on that counterclockwise flow behind it. And so that's going to lead to maybe the chance for some widespread flurries. I'm not ready to call them snow showers yet, but some areas of flurries or the first flakes of the year for sure as we head into Sunday night and even possibly into Monday morning. Now, before we get there, we have to get through another system coming through tomorrow. And I know we've had around 90% chance of showers. I still think that it's a widespread chance that we're going to see some showers in the area. But if we look at the latest total QPF forecast for the amount through Friday, as you can see, just not a whole lot of anything. Okay, when by the time the system gets ramped up, our area across southern Indiana, northern Kentucky, we seem to get caught in kind of this wedge of not a whole lot of anything, less than a tenth of an inch. And then we'll see a little bit more move through, but mainly to our north as we come into Sunday morning. So again, another chance Saturday night into Sunday morning. All told, I still think we're going to stay below a quarter of an inch. The models have been pretty consistent this week in not believing we're going to get a whole lot of moisture with this system, and it seems to be holding. So that's what we're looking at in terms of the next several days. For today, though, it looks like we are going to see our temperature right at around 60 degrees. That's right around average, but nowhere near our record high of 79. That record low of 24, though, we're going to see temperatures like that here not too soon. So if you're excited for the cold weather, great. If not, you got a couple days you just kind of got to get through. Clear skies this morning. Not a whole lot of wind today to speak of. Pleasant this afternoon, up near 60 degrees. Across most of southern Indiana, we are seeing highs in the low 60s. Sunny skies. We are going to see some breezy conditions return, though, as we head into the overnight period tonight. But your 7-day forecast starting with Thursday, again, nice and sunny, 60 degrees. That shower chance tomorrow. And then comes the cool air as we head into later this weekend. And you can see Monday morning 39, and even look at Sunday late in the afternoon. Those are some snow flurries. So for me, being a snow lover, I loved the fact that I was able to put that graphic in. Otherwise, some of you may be running for the hills on that. That's all we have for you today. I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.